Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can turn off the vanish mode on Instagram. To get started, let's open the Instagram application. So once you reach on the main page of Instagram, make sure to sign in on Insta first. Then you need to tap on the upper right corner message icon. When you reach on this page, you need to select the particular user that you have turned on the vanish mode previously, and now you wanted to turn off the vanish mode. So you need to open that conversation at first. So now there are the two ways to turn off the vanish mode. The first step is you need to tap on the user ID of that particular user, which is at the top of the screen. So when you reach on this page, you simply need to tap on privacy and safety option. And here you can see the vanish mode option. You just need to toggle off the button of the vanish mode. So this is one of the first way to turn off the vanish mode on the Instagram. The next step is just go back to the same page, and now you can simply swipe up with your finger of this chat in this way, and now the vanish mode has already been turned off. So these were the two ways that you can apply in order to turn off the vanish mode on Instagram. Hope so you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.